Hello, this tutorial is provided to you by Lime International. Today we're glad to show you how to use our trading platform LimeTrader and getting acquainted with its design language on a mobile. After this tutorial you should expect sufficient understanding of how to find and log in into LimeTrader and how to set it up on your mobile device. Without any further ado, let's get started. To get access to LimeTrader, you need to sign up to our site using Open Account button, then to proceed with provided registration form. After that, you'll get credentials to your personal page, which are used for accessing LimeTrader as well. After installing LimeTrader on your mobile device from App Store or Google Play, you need to log in using credentials which were received earlier. When you launch application for the first time, just push Get Started button and please unwrap the main menu with top left menu button where you can find account managing options at the top. Pick Login there, then Private Office, and use your credentials to log in as shown. You can input your login and password here. As we already discussed, LimeTrader main menu located at the top left corner of the screen. Let's review each options there. Today menu provides latest news concerning current date. Favorites contains user-created assets lists. Markets allows to browse all available securities and other assets represented in the trading platform. News has additional markets-related information. Calendar gives certain dates for crucial happenings related to markets. Notification consists from broker-related notes. And alerts, as name suggests, contains all currently set up alerts. We don't have any right now. Let's continue with Assets window or favorites. It contains lists of favorite stocks and other assets. Those can be created on the fly or beforehand. Firstly, you may search for a preferable asset and add those to an existing or newly created list using the search menu at the top. Let me demonstrate. To add anything to your found, just push the star icon at the top and choose the appropriate assets list there. As you can see, we added Tesla to our list, which called Micro. To remove an asset from any list, swipe to the left and push trash bin icon. You can adjust list setting by using 3 dots menu at the top right as shown. Here you can sort your lists or even delete those. To access different assets list or create a new one, please note the drop-down menu at the top here. You can choose anything here. Proceeding to the next essential part of a platform, the chart window. You can access those by selecting necessary asset in your assets list. For example, NVIDIA. Aside from current asset price, chart contains all the crucial information and historical data for proper technical analysis. Price action, date, indicators, candlesticks, data and other needed tools. You can access those as well as to set up your visual preferences using the top control panel as shown. There are, at the top, you can also find market depth with the market book button, or order book to be exact. Additional info about choosing asset can be found at market section here. Continuing with the last but not least part of LimeTrader, executing an order. The most common way to execute an order is to use the buy or sell functions at the bottom of the charts window. There you can set up your order to your liking. We discuss this more in depth in other tutorials. This concludes our tutorial for LimeTrader Basics on a mobile. Stay tuned for more useful information and helpful tutorials in the future from Lime.